This song's called The Fair Maid, and there's a two-line chorus. And choruses usually come at the end of verses. And this song is no exception to that rule. So, The Fair Maid.
I listed in the Navy for to serve the Queen. I listed in the Navy, a sailor lad to stand. But you hear the cannons rattle and the music so grand, and the music so grand, the music so grand. For to hear the cannons rattle and the music so grand. The officer that listed me was a tall and handsome man. He said, you make a sailor, so come along, my man. My waist but tall and slender, my fingers long and thin, and very soon they learned me. I soon exceeded them, I soon exceeded them, I soon exceeded them, and very soon they learned me. I soon exceeded them. Well, they sent me to my bed, they sent me to my bunk. To lie with a sailor, I never was afraid. But taking off me blue coat, shivered off and made me smile. Or do you think I was a sailor and a maiden all the while? A maiden all the while, a maiden all the while. For do you think I was a sailor and a maiden all the while? They sent me up to London for to get the tower, and I'm sure I might be there until my very dying hour. The lady fell in love with me, I told her I was a maid. She went to the captain and my secret she betrayed. My secret she betrayed, my secret she betrayed. She went to the captain, my secret she betrayed. He asked if this was so. I dare not, I dare not, I dare not, said no. It's a pity we should lose you, such a sailor lad you made. It's a pity we should lose you, such a handsome young maid, such a handsome young maid.